Now, Acorns is great for beginner investors. The account minimum is $0, and you can invest as little as $5 with fractional shares, like we just talked about. Now, fractional shares means that you can invest with a dollar amount rather than having to buy full shares of any funds or ETFs or individual stocks, and it's a beautiful thing. Now, they have a thing called roundup feature, which automatically invests spare change. So if you buy something for, let's say, $11.50, it'll round up to 12 bucks, and that 50 cents will go invested into your account. They also do have a cashback section for retailers. So if you shop at certain places with a debit card and have that money funneled through Acorns, you will actually get a cashback bonus. There are fees for using Acorns, anywhere from $3 to $9 a month, depending on the benefit version that you would like. The $3 version is going to be the most basic. Of course, the $9 one will be a little bit higher in functionality and features. But the truth be told, the $3 version gets you everything you need to get started. And if you want to go ahead and sign up with our link in the resources down below, you will get a $20 bonus. Now, next up here is going to be with Robinhood. This is great for any type of investor. It is zero account balance minimum, as well as zero fees. Now, there are, of course, some fees on some other options that you're doing with Robinhood, but the base version of investing is free. Simple and clean user interface. This is honestly one of the best investing apps out there when it comes to user interface. Nothing comes second, honestly, to it. They do also have fractional shares, so you can invest in very small dollar amounts as well. And then you can also do options trading if you're somebody who wants to go into that area. They also have the option for instant deposits. It's $1,000 plus. It's usually $1,000 to begin with, and if you have the paid membership, it will jump up a higher dollar amount. Now, instant deposits allow you to have that money that you transferred in instantaneously to go ahead and buy into the market right away, which allows you to not have to wait a couple of days for that money to be deposited into your account. Now, part of the reason that's really nice is because they also have a 24/5 trading market, which is one of the very first to be able to do something like this, where you could be sitting on your couch on a Wednesday night at like 9 p.m. Eastern and be able to trade stocks in real time. Now, that link down below will give you an option to be able to go ahead and get one free stock up to $200 in value.